All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to charge the GoPro Hero 13 Black. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left side when you're facing the camera. You're going to see this little hinge and a door. And what you've got to do is get your finger in there right on that little lip. And you're going to pop it, and it's going to open up. And then you're going to see that you've got a charging port for USB-C, okay? Now this is your battery. Let me just go ahead and pull it out so you can see. And the battery slips in there. You got to make sure that your battery is in there, right? So when you put it in, GoPro facing the front of the camera. See GoPro? See the contacts? See the contacts way in the back left top? You slide it in like this, and just make sure you get it all the way in. Just give it a squeeze. All right, once it's in there, you're good, right? And this little thing helps you to get it in and out, right? So now you're going to take your USB-C, and if you notice, I've got it plugged into a block, and all I've got to do here is plug it in to the port, which is right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide it in, and bam. I should see a little red light up here. When that light goes out, this thing is fully charged. And it shouldn't take too long because I've got about a 95% charge on it right now. Okay, so take a look. See how I've got it? All right, and we'll come back in an hour and see if it's charged. All right, so we left that on there for a couple hours. If you notice, the light is out, so all we've got to do is pop out the cord, close this, and to close it, you just push it, and it's done. And if we want to turn it on and look and see how much the battery's got, we're going to press this, hold it for a couple seconds, bam, there she goes. And if you look up in this corner here, you're going to see we got 99%. So that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff with your GoPro Hero 13 Black. Peace out.